Hello and welcome. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic that is reshaping our industry: harnessing AI transforming the oil and gas industry. As technology continues to evolve, artificial intelligence plays a critical role in enhancing operational efficiency, data analysis, and decision making processes within the oil and gas sector. From predictive maintenance to optimizing supply chains, AI applications help us reduce costs and minimize environmental impact. The image presented here symbolizes the fusion of traditional energy practices with cutting-edge technology, illustrating how we can harness AI to drive innovation and success. Throughout this presentation, we will explore various case studies, the benefits of AI implementation, and potential future developments in this area. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover how we can transform our industry through the power of AI. Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe to stay updated with our new videos. Exploring the role of artificial intelligence in the oil and gas industry presents a transformative opportunity for enhancing efficiency, safety, and decision-making processes. We'll first provide an overview of AI's potential, focusing on how it can optimize operations and reduce costs. Then, we'll delve into specific applications of AI in exploration and production, highlighting innovations such as predictive maintenance, geophysical data analysis, and reservoir modeling. Finally, it's crucial to address the challenges and ethical considerations that arise from integrating AI into these processes, including data privacy, job displacement concerns, and the need for transparency. This structured approach will give us a comprehensive understanding of AI's impact in this critical sector. Artificial intelligence is transforming the oil and gas industry by optimizing processes, enhancing safety, and reducing operational costs. From predictive maintenance using machine learning algorithms to advanced data analytics that can interpret geological data, AI is becoming a critical tool in decision-making. It enables companies to make informed investment strategies and improve resource management, maximizing efficiency in exploration and production. For instance, AI-driven analysis can predict equipment failures before they occur, significantly reducing downtime. Furthermore, AI enhances seismic imaging and reservoir simulations, providing more accurate insights that allow for better planning and execution. As we delve deeper into this subject, consider how these advancements not only revolutionize operational capabilities, but also contribute towards more sustainable practices within the industry, paving the way for a future where technology and environmental considerations go hand in hand. Artificial intelligence, or AI, signifies the simulation of human intelligence within machines designed to think and learn. It includes a range of technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. Within the oil and gas sector, AI plays a crucial role by analyzing extensive data sets, automating processes, and enhancing decision-making capabilities. One of the key advantages of AI systems is their ability to learn from vast data sets, which leads to improved accuracy and efficiency over time. Furthermore, the integration of AI in this industry is not only driving innovation, but also significantly reducing costs and enhancing operational safety. This evolution highlights the transformative impact of AI on traditional practices in oil and gas, paving the way for a more efficient and secure future. AI technologies are becoming central to the oil and gas sector, significantly enhancing operational efficiency and decision-making processes. The industry faces numerous complex challenges, notably the need for cost reduction and improvements in safety, both of which AI can effectively address. One key aspect of AI's value lies in its capacity for real-time data analysis, which enables quicker and more effective responses to operational issues, ultimately leading to smoother operations. Furthermore, the adoption of AI is driven by an increasing urgency to implement sustainable practices and minimize environmental impact, reflecting a broader commitment to responsible energy production. As recognition of AI's transformative potential grows, so too does investment in these technologies, with companies eager to integrate AI into their traditional processes to foster innovation and progress in the energy sector. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the oil and gas industry in several key ways. Machine learning algorithms play a vital role in predictive analytics for exploration and production, enhancing decision-making and efficiency. Natural language processing, or NLP, allows companies to analyze vast amounts of unstructured data from reports and logs, converting raw information into valuable insights. Computer vision technology is also making its mark by monitoring drilling operations and assessing equipment conditions in real time, ensuring safety and operational integrity. In addition, robotic process automation is streamlining administrative tasks and data management, freeing up valuable human resources for more strategic activities. Finally, AI-driven simulation models are optimizing resource allocation and operational strategies, allowing for better planning and execution. By integrating these technologies, the sector can significantly improve productivity and reduce costs. Exploring the integration of AI in exploration and production reveals transformative potential for the oil and gas industry. AI technologies enhance geological modeling and data interpretation, allowing for more precise identification of resource locations. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast data sets, improving decision-making processes and operational efficiency. Automated drilling systems leverage AI to optimize drilling performance in real time, thus minimizing downtimes and reducing costs. Predictive maintenance powered by AI minimizes equipment failures by analyzing sensor data, ultimately extending the life cycle of expensive machinery. Furthermore, AI-driven simulation models enable better risk assessment and project planning, ensuring that resources are allocated effectively. By embracing these innovations, companies not only improve productivity and reduce operational risks, but also move towards a more sustainable and efficient future in resource management. As we consider these advancements, think about how AI can further revolutionize our industry moving forward. AI is revolutionizing the exploration processes in the oil and gas industry by significantly enhancing various methodologies. First, AI algorithms are utilized to analyze geological data, enabling the identification of potential drilling sites with increased success rates. This data-driven approach allows for well-informed decisions that can lead to more productive outcomes. Next, machine learning models play a critical role in predicting the location of oil and gas reserves by efficiently processing historical exploration data, which helps to pinpoint areas with higher potential. The advancements in AI also extend to seismic imaging techniques, where improvements in accuracy facilitate better subsurface mapping, crucial for successful drilling operations. Additionally, the integration of automated drones and robots equipped with AI empowers the conduct of surveys and data gathering in hard-to-reach areas, broadening exploration capabilities. Finally, real-time data analysis is pivotal, allowing companies to adapt exploration strategies swiftly, ultimately reducing both time and costs in the search for resources. This comprehensive application of AI not only optimizes exploration but also positions the industry for future advancements. AI technologies are revolutionizing drilling efficiency in remarkable ways. By leveraging AI algorithms to analyze geological data, companies can pinpoint optimal drilling locations, significantly cutting exploration costs. Additionally, machine learning models enhance predictions of drilling outcomes, improving both accuracy and risk management. The use of real-time data analytics allows for adaptive drilling techniques, which in turn boost operational efficiency. Furthermore, AI-driven simulations play a vital role in optimizing drilling parameters, paving the way for faster and safer drilling processes. This integrated approach not only enhances productivity, but also fosters a more sustainable and responsible drilling practice. AI is revolutionizing production optimization in the oil and gas industry by analyzing real-time data to refine drilling parameters, which ultimately enhances efficiency and reduces costs. Utilizing machine learning models, operators can predict equipment failures, enabling proactive maintenance that minimizes downtime and keeps operations running smoothly. Additionally, AI-driven analytics play a crucial role in reservoir management by identifying the most effective extraction techniques and maximizing yield. Furthermore, automated systems powered by AI continuously monitor production processes to ensure compliance with both safety and environmental regulations, creating a safer and more sustainable industry. This integration of AI not only streamlines operations, but also drives innovation and enhances overall productivity in the sector. In the oil and gas industry, navigating the complexities of challenges and ethical considerations is critical. One significant challenge is balancing environmental concerns with energy demands. Companies must be aware of the ecological impact of extraction methods, striving for sustainability while meeting production goals. Additionally, the safety and health of workers cannot be compromised. Ensuring compliance with safety regulations is paramount to preventing accidents and protecting human life. Ethical considerations also extend to community relations, where transparency and engagement with local populations are essential. Companies need to address concerns regarding land rights, especially in regions with indigenous communities, reflecting a commitment to corporate social responsibility. As we explore these challenges, it's important to foster a culture of ethics and compliance, encouraging open discussions within organizations to promote best practices. Embracing these principles not only enhances the industry's reputation, but also supports long-term viability and trust with stakeholders. Transitioning from challenges, let's delve into specific case studies that illustrate these ethical frameworks in action. AI systems in the oil and gas sector manage sensitive data, making robust security measures essential to protect this information. Data breaches in this field can lead to substantial financial losses and bring reputational damage to companies. It's important to comply with regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, which is vital for safeguarding personal and operational data. Additionally, while implementing AI can enhance operations, it also introduces potential vulnerabilities if not managed properly, highlighting the necessity of ongoing risk assessments to ensure continual protection and compliance. AI is transforming the workforce landscape, with significant implications for job roles, particularly those involving manual and repetitive tasks. As AI technology advances, some roles may face displacement, prompting the need for upskilling and reskilling initiatives to ensure the workforce can adapt effectively. While there are challenges, there are also new opportunities emerging, especially in areas like data analysis, AI management, and technology development. This shift highlights the importance of collaboration between humans and AI, which can drive enhanced productivity and spur innovation within the industry. The future of work will rely on our ability to embrace these changes and harness the potential of AI to create a more skilled, adaptable workforce. AI deployment carries significant environmental implications that we must critically examine. First, the use of AI can lead to increased resource extraction, which may harm ecosystems. When decisions are driven by data, there's a risk of overlooking local environmental concerns if these factors aren't properly integrated into the decision-making process. Furthermore, AI systems themselves require considerable energy, raising important questions about their overall carbon footprint. Lastly, if AI is misused in monitoring, it can lead to data misinterpretation, potentially impacting environmental policies negatively. This underscores the need for conscientious AI implementation that prioritizes environmental sustainability. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights.